watching this video, hello. And look at my sail behind me. Sail! So it's not a nice day today, it's raining. I got some tires mounted up, so we're gonna go rip some skids. I'm probably not even gonna be able to put the other tires on, to be honest with you. Simply because, well, it's pouring rain. Hello everyone. Yes, so as you saw in the intro, we're on our way to the track today, but I didn't film a lot from this event, so I kind of wanted to go back and I wanted to go through everything. We finally got the car dialed. We've got the suspension working good. It had an alignment. We've got the most caster we possibly can. That was in the last video, as well as the clutch that we did. So let's quickly take a look at what we just did. We changed the clutch, put a eBay racing clutch in there. We modified the AWR plates so that they would work with our setup. One of the flaws I found with the AWR caster plates is they did not allow enough caster without modifying the shock tower. And now we have about 7 degrees of caster in an RX7, which is pretty good. It's pretty good. So let's see how this works. And yes, just like in every other video, we start out with a bunch of donuts. Thank you, honey, for pointing that out. We start off with some donuts, and we start getting better. At the end of this video, you can see that there's a bit of a noise. What is that noise? Did you guys hear that? Yeah, that noise is not good. And that ends this video. Thank you guys for watching this episode of Southdown Garage. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to comment, and we will see you next time. Hang on a second. I just can't leave you with that. I have to actually give you a real cliffhanger. This is what happened. Until next time, guys, have a wonderful day, take care, and we'll see you next time on another episode of Southdown Garage.